Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me, and this time I'm using this adorable Wizard of Oz kit. This one is available over at Tilly B Plans on Etsy. I will leave it linked below. It's called Witch Please, and look at this artwork. It is just so stinking cute, and this washi is to die for. This washi is like the whole reason why I picked up the kit. When I saw it revealed on in the TPC the Planners Collaborative Facebook group, I was like, nope, I gotta have it. Gotta have it. Because this one totally reminds me of my mom. And my mom used to watch Wizard of Oz with me every year when it came on like regular public TV. It would come on once a year, like in the fall, and we would make like a whole big to-do about it, and we would sit and watch it together. So, yeah, had to have it because this is the month of April, and my mom is coming in April. Got my wacky holidays here, and this is from Craft Penguin Planner. I also had just a little bit of glitter. So I didn't like totally abandon all glitter, but I do have like the little glitter divider overlays from Scribble Prints Co. And that is that sparkly rainbow hollow. So I think it looks really cute. I'm gonna have it actually sitting out in front of me right now, all completed, and it looks adorable with just that little bit of pop of glitter here and there without like overdoing it. I feel like if we had put like underlays or overlays over this artwork, it probably would have made it horrible. I just don't think I would have liked it at all because it's just so much color here and it's just so busy, and I just really love it the way it looks. So anyway, I also decided that I wanted to put the artwork on the top, and I wanted to go way top, all the way as high as I could and all the way as low as I could with the washi at the bottom, just to give myself more space on each one of the days to put some extra boxes, because there's a lot. Like Tilly B's kits come with a lot of stuff. Didn't have to pull in any extras, I don't think. I'm looking at it and I don't think there's a single extra box in here that I would have pulled in like from my stash. So more than enough stuff in her kits that you don't even need to bring in any extras, unless maybe you wanted to stretch it. I think maybe if you wanted to stretch it for a couple weeks, or if you want to do a week and then a couple of dailies, you might have to bring in a couple of your own little extra boxes here and there. But for the most part, tons and tons of stuff. Tons of stuff. And then these glitter dividers were extra. They were an add-on that I added so that I'd be for sure have enough matching ones to put the overlays from Scribble Prints Co. on them. So that's why I picked those up. But actually, the kit comes with plenty of them, so I probably didn't need to. It's just a force of habit. You'll see when I go to that page that there's really actually a lot of dividers in this. And then put down my days of the week. So this is going to be for the last week of March and the first week of April. And I'm so far behind on my voiceovers and getting all my plan with me's up because it's been like an unbelievably busy month, busy couple of weeks, busy everything. So I've been keeping track of everything. Like on the monthly, the monthly is stuffed. It's full of all of the things that are going on and all the important dates and things that I need to remember. But and then my B6 is full because I've been using my B6 has been going with me every day, and I write in it all the things I need to remember and the stuff that's coming up and whatnot. And then I've been back planning. So this is done now because I'm doing the voiceover. Today's the 17th, so this is done. Had been done for a while. I back planned in it already. So I can tell you what happened this week by just I'm kind of losing my voice too, I'm sorry. I can go back and tell you kind of what happened this week just by looking at the thing because it's already done and it's in front of me and it's glorious. It looks absolutely fantastic. The sidebar is going to have a place for highlights, and I decided to do like a highlight of every day of the week. So I put down one of these trackers, the Monday through Sunday tracker, and the highlighter is from my shop. And it's just a plain one that just has highlights on it, and it is from the pastel ones that I have. So I have pastel, primary, neutral, and plain. Like the plain ones are meant to be that way so that you can color them in yourself and make them match your spread if you wanted to. Like if you had highlighters that match your spread, you can put them in there and make it your own color, or you can do the other ones. So I wanted to use that in the sidebar because I want to do like, instead of a highlight of the week, just one, I wanted to do like one a day. So that's why I put that in there, because I didn't really have anything else I needed to put in my tracker. I mean, not my tracker, my sidebar, except for a bill, which I put in there. And then I thought maybe I might want to track Instagram, but then I'm so bad. I'm like so bad at social media. It's ridiculous. If you think I'm bad with uploading my plan with me's and not consistent, you ought to see what it's like on my Instagram, because I have just 11 things to do every day, and I just don't always have time to sit down and do it. And I've had so many people like try to coach me on time management and figuring out how to live and run a shop and have a full-time job and have a family and do everything, and I'm just a failure, an absolute failure. So I just don't. And then I'm getting to the end of my planner, so I stuffed another, that's what that is. I stuffed another like small book underneath it so I could bring it up level with the other page so that I wasn't struggling to put the stickers on the other side, which is super low because this planner is going to be done. I'm on the last 3 months, so May, June, and July is all that's left. And this is my Avalon and Ninth planner, and I've already ordered another one. It came last month. I think I ordered it last month, and so I have my replacement for it because it's almost done. And I went flipping through it the other day with my mom because I wanted to show her all of the sticker kits that I had in it, because she like fell in love with this one when I showed it to her, because I told her that I got it for when they're here. And I was going through it and I'm like, my gosh, I have some glorious sticker kits in this thing that I would really, really kind of like to get to do it again. But, you know, I'm obviously not going to do two of the same one. But, man, some of these are just absolutely, I just love them. I'm flipping through it again right now. Like these ones from Itty Bitty Sticker Co., the birthday one. Oh, my gosh, I just love them so much. Tons of Avalon and Ninth. How would you guys feel about me doing, like, an Avalon and Ninth, like, I don't think I could do like what she does with the 52 weeks. I don't think I could do 52 weeks because I can't afford that, but just like, because I have a ton of Avalon and Ninth kits and they're so glorious. They're so fantastic. I love them so much. And I feel like I just don't have enough days, you know, they just don't make it into every single month, and I want to make sure that they make it into every single month. So give me some ideas. How do you think I should do it? Should I do like make sure that once a month an Avalon and Ninth kit is in there? I think I should use because I subscribe to her subscription, monthly subscription, mystery subscription, and maybe I should make sure that the mystery subscription is in every month at least. I don't know. I really want to use them though, because when I was flipping through my book and looking at them, they're just phenomenal kits. I love them so much. And then I always pull in some Tilly B. I'm addicted to planning with Manny. You guys know my schedule, but I also have been picking up some kits from some new shops, new to me shops that I've never picked up from. And wait until you see the haul for the month of April. Oh my gosh, I've already started filming. I've already got a whole bunch of clips together for some of the stuff that's been coming in, but oh my gosh, I've been picking up some kits from some places that I've never used before, and I'm in love. I'm in love. I can't wait to use them. I'm really excited to use them. Unfortunately, they're smaller kits, so they'll probably end up in my B6, but I will share them. I will for sure share them so that you can see them. I don't think I can pull them into a full week spread because I just don't think there's enough on there, but I might be able to pull in functionals because I've got functionals coming out my ears from Avalon and Ninth, so I might be able to color match that and pull it in here. Definitely the Buffy the Vampire Slayer one is going to come in a weekly spread. I don't care what I have to do. I'll make my own functionals to match if I can't find any, because that one is glorious. I absolutely love it. I was going to save it for Halloween. Ooh, that would be fun. I feel like I'm very ADHD right now. I'm very squirrel off. But wouldn't that be fun to do like the Halloween, start doing Halloween spreads right now? Even though it's still kind of snow on the ground. At least where I live, there's snow on the ground. It's decided spring, it was like a tease. It was spring for like a week, and then it went right back to winter again. So whatever. My mom's tripping about it because she came to visit from California, and I live way up in the Northwest. Like literally Canada is 90 miles from where I live. So when she got here, and it was snowing when she got here, and she's in her sandals. My mom, she's in her sandals. So luckily, she had left a pair of her Skechers here at my house. So I told her, I'm like, I think you need to put the sandals away and wear the tennis shoes. So yep, she's wearing her tennis shoes, and she put her little sandals away. And I had to give her some of my socks. She didn't even have socks. I'm like, geez, woman. My mom is so funny. She doesn't like wearing shoes. She likes her sandals and her flip-flops, and she's just not a shoe fan. She doesn't like her feet get hot, and she gets all mad. So, but, you know, she has to suffer through and wear them. I'm putting in my Wacky Holidays, and I messed up. I don't know if you can tell because you probably don't know, like you don't have the Wacky Holidays memorized, but I wasn't paying attention because I was like in the zone putting down the stickers, and I started on the 28th instead of the 1st. So all of those are off, and then I got mad and I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I just did that. So then I tried to take them off, and they won't come off. When you put a sticker on top of a sticker, it's done. That's it. It's staying. You ain't getting it off. So I just stopped, and then I started back up. I think it was the 6th. I got as far as like the 6th on putting those Wacky Holidays down before I realized that I was messing up. So the following week I have them on the right days, but this one I just had to live with them being on the wrong days, but it doesn't matter. They still make me smile. They're so funny. One of them is National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day, and I actually took that out, thought it was funny, and so I took it and I actually had peanut butter and jelly for lunch at work on Wednesday because it made me think of peanut butter and jelly. So I made myself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for work. Not the best lunch in the world. Certainly doesn't keep you satisfied for very long, especially after a 12-hour shift, but it was kind of fun. And then that's pretty much it. There wasn't a whole lot going on. Lost power on Monday because there was another windstorm. Tuesday, I went out and spoiled the kids. We went to the mall and I bought little Raina bought her some shoes because she just started walking. Spoiled my daughter. Wednesday I worked. Thursday I worked. And then Friday we installed the stove, kitchen stove. Not a ton of stuff going on, but isn't this just the cutest thing ever? I think this is just so stinking adorable how it came out. And then with the little pop of glitter at the top. I don't have a ton of stuff to really talk about as far as the week is concerned because there really wasn't a lot going on. Oh, I started messing with my Legos. So I think I told you guys that I bought the Harry Potter diagonally Harry Potter Lego set. Stupid expensive, but I really, really, really wanted it, and I've been eyeballing it since it came out, and then it went out of stock forever. Well, it came back in stock, and I just bit the bullet and I bought it. Stupid things are really expensive, though, so I started putting it together, but there's like 4 buildings, so it's totally worth the price, because if you've ever put together or priced out Legos, they're super expensive just for 1 building, and this one comes with 4. So I started putting that together, and I'll take a picture of it and post it on Instagram when it's done. It's really, really, really cute. And then that's pretty much it. I don't think I have a whole lot more going on other than a couple little icons here and there for cleaning and stuff like that, and my glitter headers look fantastic, and the whole thing is just gorgeous. Anyway, I will leave everything linked below. I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. All of these shops, like I said, will be linked below, and I will try to be better about getting my plan with me's up in a more timely fashion. And like I said, give me some ideas like down below what you think. Halloween spreads, like 1 a month, or doing like, I don't know, I want to use my Avalon in 9th. I don't know. And then, oh, Star Wars for May. I don't know. So many ideas. Give me some ideas down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.